Welcome to Showcase Mitsubishi. Mike Whittam here with my camera lady Ruthie, and we're going to introduce you to the Outlander GT, which is the highest trim level. It eliminates nothing. Everything that you can get in an Outlander is in this GT, including this particular one with its entry of the red diamond exterior color. It's very sharp, it's almost crimsonish, but this just leads you into a very great touch of elegance. And what the features that I'm going to show you today, there is nothing to pile on top of this. Starting with underneath the hood is the only V6 motor in the Mitsubishi lineup here in America. In front of the hood is the bumper with its chrome designs, its LED lighting for the day running lights, the chrome trim, the fog lights, the badge in the front for Mitsubishi even says Outlander on the hood. Just a beautiful layout of design, to even the peaks and the valleys in the hood that just give it a very good image. It's very beautiful to look at with its sharp exterior design with the lines that are in here. Now what I want to do is I'm going to let her continue to show that, but I wanted to show you this locking mechanism. If you watch, these rear view mirrors tucked in automatically, and that's for protection, not just from the car wash that you might want to go through, but also for anybody bumping it, because inside these mirrors are that blind spot indicator. Everything with Mitsubishi is safety first. So we got, speaking of safety, behind these 18-inch wheels, bio-colored wheels, is the braking system, which has 3 symbiotic systems working within it. It's not just anti-lock braking, but there's other things that are involved, and I can get with you on that later. But these are designed to be able to give you full control while you're stopping with the braking system that they have. Also too, I want you to see those mirrors tucked back in because I didn't get in it right away. But what I'm going to do now is show you that even without unlocking the vehicle, I'm able with this button, because the key is in proximity, I got it in my pocket, and I pushed on the little black button, and it opened up for me. And so with the ability to not have to open up all the doors, but just the one that you're wanting to get into, safety again. If you're in a situation where it might be a little dicey, dark, and you have no fears, because Mitsubishi's thought of your comfort level as well in designing that ability to key pass in without having to open up all the doors at the same time. Also too, the rear door is setting in front of the wheel to again give you easy entering and egressing into the vehicle without having to step over a wheel. Okay. One of the other things that are really nice about this, the features on the Outlander, is if I push this button twice, what happens? Oh, look at the entry of the rear door. Gets you into the back end of the vehicle, and you can see in the back by the adjustments of that passenger side rear seat and the driver's side rear seat, there's an adjustment there because those seats actually lean back. So to be able to get comfortable even as a passenger, they're equipped for that as well. Also too, standard in the Outlander is the 3rd row seating. Might help if I remove this apparatus that's there to cover up cargo if you're using that aspect. But to be able to just pull on that, and inside here are the headrests, so you're able to put those on. So if you need that 3rd row seating feature, it is right there ready for you. Now go ahead and put this back away. And just so you know too, that I don't need to push down on the back tailgate. I just push the button twice and it'll close all by itself. So you didn't even see me doing that, did you? Coming to the cockpit of the vehicle, I want you to notice first, I'm going to say hi through the ceiling, hi, because it does have that power moonroof on it. Like I said, there's nothing else that you can get in the GT trim level. Some of the other features that you may be interested in are when you're setting in the cockpit. This has a 10-position adjustable seating along with a power lumbar seat. You'll notice too the system for the radio and all of your applications with your Apple Play or your Android Auto are on a larger screen than what is standard. So this gives you the ability to have a clear vision area of whatever it is that you're looking to use it for at that particular time. Changes as fast as you want it to. The other thing with the center console, you look down here and there's your plug-in for your phone to be able to operate your Sirius radio, your phone, all the features that are in your phone that will come through the display. It also has a heated steering wheel. Now that's one thing I never thought that I would ever be interested in, but once you have a heated steering wheel, you don't want to live without it. And there's you can, I don't know why you would, but you can turn off your blind side indicators for your mirrors. There's a button there for that. You got your eco button. Also too, you have your leather handle for your shifter. You have your heated seats. You have your four-wheel drive where on the fly you can change it from just economy two-wheel drive front to the four-wheel drive snow to four-wheel drive gravel, and you can lock it in. If you got more than 4 or 5 inches on the ground, you might want to just lock it in. Getting to your steering wheel and the controls that are on here, you have your voice activation, you have your phone, you have your radio volume, change of stations, you have your cruise control, you have your lane departure system here at your thumb tip. You also have your paddle shifters to be able to use that GT sporty feel should you so desire. It's just loaded with everything that you can. Also too, in the front, I didn't show you that up front, but let me tell you about it, is that there's cameras there too for the front end litigation system, where like if traffic's coming, it'll stop you if you're getting too close to traffic. It'll indicate to you, and then it'll even stop you if you don't pay attention to the indicators. So it's all, again, designed for safety first. Not another safety feature that I can think of, even to the point where the airbag deployment that they have all over the place. They even have the knee airbags to protect your knees if there was a front-end collision. So the leather trim that's in here, that comes standard leather trim, does not have to be this beautiful beige. You can also get it to the beautiful black. Okay, so there's several different colors outside of this red diamond. So make your choice, make your selection, and we'll be happy to get your order put together for you. Give us a call here at Showcase Mitsubishi. Our phone number here is 989-684-0500, and just call and ask us. We'll be happy to respond to you through phone, email, text. Give us a call.